I've travelled home to Belfast, where the issue of legal drugs is at an all-time high. I spoke to those who are at the heart of the issue. Here's what they had to say.
Legal highs are very dangerous because even though it says legal on them, a lot of the packets contain illegal drugs. People come in and we don't know what they've taken. If you know what drug someone's taken, you know what measures to treat it with, how to counteract it.
Danny Maxwell, an 18-year-old resident of Northern Ireland, is no stranger to taking legal highs.
To get the drugs, we went online to an old website called Silk Road. Basically, you went on, people were selling stuff from Amsterdam, like overseas everywhere. And to buy them, you need bitcoins, which is a virtual currency. Once we got them, just decided to take them, and from there it just went downhill. We got the drugs and poured it out on the table and started dicing it up with just a bank card and stuff. There's 3 of us, and we just started splitting it between the 3 of us, and we took it all. So we literally took near enough 2 grams of drugs that night in total. The day after was just horrendous. It was when we were driving home. We got near enough inside Belfast and my heart stopped in the back of the car and I stopped breathing. My mate beside me was like, "Are you alright?" And all I could say was my heart as I was clutching my chest. And he had to teach me how to breathe again, and I got drove to the hospital.
The difficulty is these people have found a loophole in the law, and the long-term effects are unknown as well. There's a lot of cases where people have gone on to have long-term mental health problems. I know of one personally, and it's all been put down to so-called legal highs.
Alderman Gavin Robinson, who was the previous Lord Mayor of Belfast, is campaigning to crack down and ban legal highs in Northern Ireland.
I think it would be incredibly positive if we could get a UK ban on legal highs. We've had a discussion for a number of years about the difficulty in classifying a legal high, because once you alter the makeup of it, it becomes legal again.
You took them and you had a good time, and that's where I basically stopped drinking and turned to drugs.
So the opportunity, as they did in the Republic of Ireland, to ban all psychoactive substances, but make legal exemptions for those that are freely available, like alcohol, tobacco, caffeine and so on. That's the way we need to do it. We need legislation.
I didn't think it was such a problem in Northern Ireland, but it certainly is, and it's getting more and more common.